While Pakistan has earned record revenue this year, well behind in exports, the correct answer is B. It still lags. Anna and Tanya went shopping, but they could not find anything they liked. The correct answer is D. Nuclear energy is dash dangerous to be used widely. Nuclear energy is too dangerous to be used widely. If I have money, I will purchase it tomorrow. Canon had such unique qualities that it was used widely in ancient times. She succeeded by working hard. Gulalai made her children do some chores on Sunday. I enjoy playing tennis. Most of the guests arrived in buses. The departmental store is open from 8 to 7. On leaving the shopping plaza, Kate was robbed of her purse. If I had money, I will purchase it now. The man whom you met is an anchor person. The woman who is standing by the table works in electronic media. He is looking for accommodation either in flat or shared house. You can go neither by train nor by bus. Before designing a public park, the architect must consider the public. When she was younger, she walked 5 kilometers a day. The house is large but is quite old-fashioned. We need to find another method to solve this problem.